Heidi here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe for pizza balls, and I'm also going to show you how you can optionally make them pumpkin-shaped. So for this recipe, you'll need refrigerated pizza dough, mozzarella balls or slices, pizza sauce, and your favorite pizza toppings. You'll also need an egg with some water to make an egg wash. So let's get started. So to make your pizza balls, start by cutting out your shapes. So take a glass or a circle cookie cutter and press down on your crust. And here's your circle. After you've cut out your shape, now you can start stuffing your pizza balls. So it might help to stretch it out just a little bit. Make sure there's no holes. And now you can start filling them. So I'm going to make mine pepperoni pizza balls. So I'm going to add a little drop of sauce, a cheese slice, and some pepperoni. And now seal it up. So take the edges and fold them in. Make sure you don't overstuff them so that you can seal them. And press the sides together so there's no holes. And here is your pizza ball. And go ahead and make some more. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your pizza balls pumpkin shaped. So take one of your pizza balls and some kitchen twine and lay it down and put your pizza ball on top and lift your twine and cross it over almost like you're going to tie a knot and pull slightly and flip over your pizza ball and twist it again, pull slightly, and one more time, flip it over. And on this side, you're going to tie it. Go. And now when you bake it, it will look like a pumpkin. Once you have all your pizza balls or pumpkin balls made, then you can brush them with some egg wash. And this egg wash is just 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of water mixed together. And go ahead and brush that on your pizza balls. And this will make them nice and golden brown when they bake. And go ahead and bake these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. After baking my pizza balls, this is how they turned out. And here's the pumpkin shaped one, and I added a green toothpick to look like a stem. And I cut off the twine with a pair of scissors, and make sure you have your parents' permission and supervision. And I can also show you the inside of one. Pull it apart, and you can see all the pepperoni and cheese. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye.